Hey everyone, welcome to Kids Kitchen. I'm Miss Christina and today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate cinnamon toast. So this is a super simple snack that you can make. You can use it as a dessert as well. It's just made out of stuff that you probably already have at home and combining all of the ingredients in a fun way. So for this, you're going to need some cinnamon toast. If you don't like cinnamon, you can use regular toast. It works just as well, but I love cinnamon, so I'm going to use this one. You will need either Nutella, which is a chocolate hazelnut spread, or just plain chocolate spread. But I have this. You will need a banana, some strawberries, and some powdered sugar. You can use any one of those topping ingredients, or you can use them all. I'm going to show you ways to use all of them today. But then for tools and things, you'll need a toaster because you got to make the toast, right? You got to turn your bread into toast. You'll need a knife. I'm just using this plastic one. Always want to be safe. You can use a butter knife because we're just cutting bananas and strawberries. They're pretty soft. Or get a grown-up to help you. And then you'll need a plate to put your toast on. So super simple. Let's go ahead and get started. So I've already washed my hands. I've rinsed off my strawberries so everything is safe and ready to go. I'm going to put 2 slices of toast in my toaster. And you can toast it to whatever level of crispiness that you like. I like my toast a little bit on the crunchy, darker side, but if you don't like it super crispy, that's totally fine. So they just come like that. I'm gonna pop them in the toaster. So it kind of depends on your toaster how long things take. I have mine set at about a 3, but I'll keep an eye on it. Or if I start to smell that it's burning, then they're done, right? Okay. So while the toast is toasting, I'm going to prepare our fruit that we're going to use as toppings. So I'm going to take a banana, and we're going to slice the banana into pretty thin slices. So I always cut the pointy ends off. We don't really need those. So I'm going to turn my camera down. Okay, so just chop off those ends so that you have some flat circular pieces when you slice it. So just like that. Oop. Okay. You probably won't use all of these unless you're making a couple slices with bananas. So you can just pop these in your mouth as a little side dish. Okay. So just like that, I've cut up the whole banana into little slices. And I'm actually going to turn my toaster down a little bit. I can smell the cinnamon. So I think it's starting to heat up pretty well. So I don't want it to be like burnt. Okay, so got our banana. There we go. So my toast just popped up. I'm gonna carefully grab it and take a look. So it's actually not done. I'm gonna put it back in for a little bit longer, which is perfect because I'm not done cutting up my fruit. I need to cut up some strawberries. So there are some fun tricks for getting the stem off. You can take a straw and poke it through the bottom, and then it makes the stem pop off. They have little tools for that. However you want to do it, I'm just going to cut it off. Or I'm going to cut my strawberry up to the stem. Let me wipe my little knife off. Okay. So just like the banana, we're going to cut kind of thin slices. And this makes your snack a little healthier because you're getting some fruit, and it also makes it colorful. And we're going to use our fruit as a decorative element. So you'll see when we get there. We're going to make it look nice and pretty, like a work of art. So I'm just going to cut up another strawberry, and however many you need depends on how much or how many slices of toast you're doing and all of that good stuff. Maybe you're making one for yourself and one for a family member. I'm just going to do 2 slices. I think that'll be enough for what I want to do with my toast. So I think my toast is ready. I'm going to tilt my camera back up. Okay, there we go. So again, carefully take your toast out of the toaster. That's what mine looks like. It's perfect. And I'm going to put it on this other plate here. I'm going to move the fruit out of the way. And now I'm just going to put a thin layer of Nutella on top. There's a lot of flavors going on here. So I don't want too much. I don't want to overwhelm the cinnamon toast with Nutella. Just enough that I get that delicious chocolatey flavor in there. And actually, before I go any further, I'm going to put another slice of toast in, or slice of bread in the toaster, because I want to show you another thing you can do, another variation. So, okay, we've got some Nutella on that one. We're going to put some on this one. You could also do this with peanut butter if you don't have a nut allergy. That would be super delicious. And to be honest, a little healthier. But that's okay. This is like a dessert. Okay. So that looks pretty good. So now we get to decorate it with the fruit. So I'm going to use my bananas to make a smiley face. So I'm going to use 2 slices for the eyes. And then I'm going to make a mouth. So I'm going to try to find the smaller ones. And my toast is kind of small, so I'm not sure if this will totally read like a smiley face, but that is the intention. Okay, so turn it up so you can see. So I've got 2 eyes and a big smile. It would work better with bigger toast, but that's okay. So now, because it's almost Valentine's Day, I'm going to use my strawberries to make a heart on the other toast. So let's see if I can make this happen. You might have to maneuver it a little. Whoop. Okay, guess that one's gonna go there. Let's see. Let's try that. My other toast is ready for me to show you one more variation you can do. And of course, you don't have to stop there. You can put all sorts of things on top of your toast. And if you come up with a new one, let me know how it turns out. Okay, it's kind of a heart. It's a little wonky, but that's okay. But it looks pretty delicious. So now I have one more slice of toast, and I am out of plates. Let me grab another one. Okay, so on this one, again, I'm going to do a little Nutella. This one's going to be a little simpler because we're not putting any fruit on it. Okay, so again, just a thin layer. We're going to put a little bit of powdered sugar, which will make it look kind of fancy. And you can do this to the other ones too, actually. So powdered sugar is very messy. As you can see, it's spilling all over the counter. But the way I like to do it is I take a spoon and I scoop up a little. Like that. You don't need very much. And then you just kind of lightly sprinkle. And now I got a big chunk on there. Maybe I can, yeah, knock it off. There. Now it looks kind of pretty and it's got a little added sweetness. I'm going to put a little bit of the powdered sugar on the one with strawberries also. And the bananas, why not? Dress it up. Okay. That looks pretty delicious. That's going to be my morning snack. I think I'm not going to wait until dessert to eat it. So I hope you try making it. Let me know if you put anything else on your toast and if it turns out good or if it's a disaster, because that's okay too, because cooking is all about experimenting. All right. Take care and we'll see you next time.